Firstly, log in using ID and password provided at the time of installation. We have a branch management system in this software. If a client has multiple branches, they can create all the branches in this software. The advantage of this system is that they can handle branch-wise P&L. In addition to that, through main branch, they can handle the company's total P&L. This is the dashboard of the software. We have the option of customizing this dashboard user-wise. When the admin logs in into the software, they can access cash details, party balance, supplier balance, income and expense, account group balance, sales details and purchase details. They can also access the product reorder limit as well as fast moving items. In this dashboard, we can add company information as well. The main two features in this are the Accounts and Inventory section and Administration section. In Accounts and Inventory section, the first option is Masters. In this, we can create party, supplier, bank, chart of accounts, product group, product, slab, multi-rate and branch. All the master details required for a basic accounting can be created here. The main two features in this are the Accounts and Inventory section and Administration section. In Accounts and Inventory section, the first option is Masters. In this, we can create party, supplier, bank, chart of accounts, product group, product, slab, multi-rate and branch. All the master details required for a basic accounting can be created here. Firstly, let's see how to create party. Party basically means customer. This is the code of the party. Here, you can add the name of the party. Then, you can add contact info of the person with whom you will communicate. You can also add address, telephone, mobile and email address here. For some party, shipping details will be different. For example, their godown and warehouse will be at different places. In such case, you can click on Shipping Details tab and enter the shipping details. In the Transaction Details tab, you can add opening balance. We can categorize customers as wholesale, retail, etc. You can choose that in multi-rate. You can edit these in the settings. You can set credit limit for each customer here. There is also a day limit where you can set the maximum purchase that can be done on a singular day. You can also set due days as well. You can add the minimum balance that you wish to keep for the customer without settling. If you provide special discount to your customer, you can enter it here. Here, you can add the salesman and their tax numbers who handles this particular customer. Now, to add supplier, go to Accounting and Inventory. Click on Masters and then click on Supplier. Here, the procedure is same as earlier. Add name, account, multi-rate, credit limit and other details. Now, click on Save to save the details. Next is bank creation. Here, add the name of the bank and set status accordingly. In the status section, you have to check whether it's a merchant account. In some banks, personal account is used and in some banks, merchant accounts are used. After you select merchant account here, when you will swipe your credit card in future, your payment will appear in the bank account that is marked as merchant account here. Now, add the address of the bank, mobile and email. Also add bank account details. To add another bank, first click on Save. Then you can enter the details of the new bank. Another feature of this software is that you can open multiple windows and you can access them at the same time. Next, you can create chart of account from masters in accounts and inventory. There are two options in chart of account. They are account group and account ledger. We use standard chart of account. Here in the account section, there is balance sheet where we have assets and liabilities. In the asset section, we have current assets, fixed assets, investments and miscellaneous assets. In the liabilities section, we have current liabilities and provisions, loan funds, owner funds and suspense accounts. In the profit and loss account, we have expenses and income. In the expenses section, we have direct and indirect expenses. In the income section, we have direct and indirect income. All these groups are present by default. If you wish to add new ones, enter the name in the group name and enter the name of the parent in the parent group section. Next is account ledger section. In this section, you can add ledger name such as rent, salary, etc. and add the corresponding parent group.